Hello and welcome back. So today video is gonna be really simple video. I'm just gonna change from this menu here to this because it's been a problem for me. I had to every time go here and change it. It's a bit of a wastage of time for me, so I said okay, well, why not make a video for this as well. And you guys might be wondering why I'm actually making this video. Well, even though I am actually giving most of the videos on Linux, but for me to use Linux I actually have to use my laptop, and I'm actually using Windows. So yeah, I'm just gonna sort of like outline how to sort of get it done in easier way and save the time as well. Okay, so what are the steps? The first step is to go here. So this is we'll go to the Registry Editor and then we'll follow this path, and the next step would be we'll create a key with this, right? And then we'll create another key under that, make it really easy, right? And then we're gonna go to command line and we're gonna use this command here. It's gonna restart the explorer.exe, and then we're gonna start it again. Oh, okay, let's do it. You can actually use the window plus R button to go to the quicker way to go to Windows, most important sections. For example, let's say window R and you go here, right? As you can see, this is now no, let me make it easy. So this is here Windows 11, as you can see, and by default this is what it shows here. So this is the menu that you get, right? And then if you want to switch it to the old style menu, you have to come here and do it this way, because it really gives me better options, like when it comes to paste or copy. It's just a better look, I would say. Oh, let's start then. Control R, and we're gonna go to Registry Editor, REG Edit. Cool. Yes. Okay. So now, like I said before, so the first part is to actually go here. So make it easy as well here. So this one, let's say we have to follow this, right? And as you can see that this is here computer, right? And then we go to current users, which is here, right? And then we go to software, which is here, right? And then we go to classes. So classes are here. So it's just gonna be like really straightforward, so you just follow based on whatever is mentioned here, and then it's gonna be super easy. And after that we go to CLSID. So let's scroll down. CLSID, there you go. So this is the one that we're looking for. Let me highlight it as well so it's kind of easier. So this is the one that we are looking for. Oh, okay. So what we're gonna do here now, so we will create one new key and we're gonna use this as a name. Copy. So right click here, new key, and then we're gonna paste it here. Okay, so as you can see that now this is the newly created key here now, which is just right here. Cool. Okay, now we have to create another key under that key we just created now. It's gonna be super quick. Create a new key, and then obviously you're gonna name it as like that. Yeah. So as you can see now that what we have created now are just two parts here now under CLSIO, right? And as you can see that this is by default, that is already there, and we have just followed two steps at the moment now. Okay, now you just need to double click here, and what this will do, this will set it to default and say okay, now this part is done. All right, now the next part is to copy this command, Control C, and you can use command line to paste it here. Cool. So it's gone now, right? So we're gonna bring it back up. You can say start explorer.exe. So what essentially we are doing here now, as you can see that I'm actually setting here killing the task explorer.exe, and then we are starting the explorer.exe now. Yep. Get out of this here now, and we start. Why are you not working? Start Explorer explorer.exe. Okay, so Explorer is back now. Let's have a look now what our menu looks like. Okay, see, so this is now by default here. I really like that look. Oh, so how does it look? So once you do right click, and this is what it is, right? And I really like that old style look. So let's see now, if you, for example, are not happy with it, for example, you want to switch it back, right? I mean, so this is what it looks like by default if you want to switch it to this condition here, right? But if you are, for example, not happy, then yeah, sure, you can go back, you can change the things, right? Control R again, Registry Editor, right? Yes. And then here, for example, this is the one we created, right? As you can see that this is the one that we set it to default, right? And then we created a new key here, and then this was under the new key, right? So now what we're doing now, we are just simply going to delete this. Delete it. Yes. Okay. So we go out of this here now. Again, task kill. We go to command line, CLS. Okay, paste. Cool. And then we get start explorer.exe. Okay, should be back up now. And as you can see that this is what it is now. So if you want to get that old one again, this is what it is. You have to use another second option now. I'm gonna actually switch it back to its original because I don't like this. I'm just gonna go here, create the one with the name, put the keys, and the keys name should be as this, right? And then we're gonna use this. I will add that in the description, so if you want to follow that, cool. Or if you're happy with the new style menu, best of luck. Cool. Okay, here set it to default. Okay, and we follow the same again. By the way, you can do this one from Task Manager as well. Start explorer.exe. Okay, Explorer is back. I don't need this one here now, so let's see how it looks now. Yep, so I'm gonna leave that as default. Cool, so that is just a quick video for today, and I'm working on another content for Samba server. I'll be sharing the file permission with you guys soon, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.